So continue to walk until we find the A6 terminal. It's a huge airport. It's just busy. People everywhere. I guess this is like a hub for international travel. So you can find more people here. And you're gonna find the airlines. It's a busy airport wherever we go. But maybe because it's just newly open after COVID, so people are getting out on their home travel. And we have an Irish restaurant. I guess it's like expensive. And get some beers. If I'm going to London, we are here now, A6, which is what's the place that I'm looking. The US platform too. Okay, this is their platform. See how beautiful this is the platform. Building or air control. This is the huge airlines, airplane. This is where the park. See how big is that airline. Also another airlines, also Virgin Airlines. These are cargoes. So we're leaving New York.
Zeit genug, ich war im Flieger.
New York City, leaving John F. Kennedy, going to Frankfurt, Germany.
Please approach our cabin crew, including Faisal and Sue, who are our German-speaking crew, if you require assistance. We wish you a pleasant flight.
Meine Damen und Herren, willkommen an Bord des Singapore Airlines Flugs SQ-024 nach Frankfurt, Singapur. Wir freuen uns, dass auch Passagiere unserer Star Alliance mit uns fliegen. Alle elektronischen Geräte müssen jetzt in den Flugmodus geschaltet, um den Start gestart werden. Wenn Sie Fragen haben oder Hilfe auf Deutsch brauchen, wenden Sie sich bitte an unseren Flugbegleiter Faisal und wir wünschen Ihnen einen angenehmen Flug. Video mit den sicherheitshinweisen Daten natürlich nicht zeigen zu können.
Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines. As the safety equipment on this aircraft may differ from that on other aircraft, please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through Singapore. During takeoff and landing, ensure that your tray table is stowed away. Put the back of your seat upright and keep your shoes on. Before we take off, stow your luggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartments. Make sure that your seat belt is securely fastened during taxi, takeoff, and landing. To fasten, bring the two ends of the seat belt together until you hear a click. Tighten it by pulling on the strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. We recommend keeping your seat belt fastened throughout the flight. Whenever the seat belt sign is turned on, infants should be lifted from the bassinet and secured with an infant seat belt. If there is a change in cabin pressure, an oxygen mask will automatically drop in front of you. Pull the mask down sharply. Place it over your mouth and nose. Pull the lateral straps to tighten it and breathe as usual. Secure your mask first before helping others. It is normal for the bag to not fully inflate. There are several emergency exits in this aircraft. Take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit, which may be behind you. Count the rows to tighten. Inflate the life vest by pulling the red tabs or blowing into the mouthpiece. Life vests have a whistle and a light to attract attention. Special life vests are available for children. Inflate your life vest only at the exit door and step into the raft. Life vests are located under or between your seats. All large electronic devices, such as laptops, must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. During these times, charging your electronic
now cruising altitude of 37,000 feet, approximately 264 miles to the northwest of Frankfurt. Shortly we'll be commencing on descent. Current weather in Frankfurt: showers of rain with a temperature of 12 degrees Celsius or 54 degrees Fahrenheit. There is a 6-hour time difference between Frankfurt and New York. Local time in Frankfurt now is 9:29 in the morning. Subject to air traffic delays, which will touch down at 10:12 and have your gate about 10 minutes after. On behalf of Captain Giri and the rest of my crew, thank you for flying with Singapore Airlines. I wish you a pleasant stay, and for those travelling onward to Singapore, a pleasant onward journey. I look forward to having you on board. Cabin crew, prepare for flight.
Preparing for landing, so we're almost in Frankfurt, Germany. Anytime soon, the plane will be landing.
Please note that security screening is not required. In preparation for arrival, please return to your seat, put your seat back upright and fasten your seat belt. Secure your tray table, handset and footrest, and ensure your window shades are drawn up. Please also note where the emergency exits are located. Thank you.
Meine Damen und Herren, bitte gehen Sie zur Landung an Ihren Platz zurück. Stellen Sie Ihre Rücklehne senkrecht und schließen Sie Ihre Sicherheitsschuhe. Sichern Sie Ihren Fernbedienung und Ihre Fußstütze. Die Verdunkelungen müssen geöffnet sein. Bitte merken Sie sich die Lage der Notausgänge. Vielen Dank.
Safe mode. Thank you.
Sicherheitsgurt zur Landung geschlossen ist. Vielen Dank.
Gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Passengers continuing on to Singapore must disembark. Please check that you have not left anything behind, as security personnel will remove items found in the aircraft. Do ensure that you have your boarding pass and passport with you. A new set of crew will be joining you on your onward journey. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments and remember to take all your belongings with you. It's been a pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Willkommen in Frankfurt, meine Damen und Herren. Bitte bleiben Sie am Start sitzen, bis das Ausgleichszeichen ausgeschaltet ist. Passagiere, die nach Singapur weiterreisen, müssen hier aufsteigen. Bitte stellen Sie sicher, dass Sie Ihre Bordkarte und Ihren Reisepass bei sich haben und dass Sie nicht vergessen haben. Zurückgelassene Gegenstände werden auf dem Flugzeug entfernt. Ab hier werden Sie eine neue Besetzung begleiten. Bitte seien Sie beim Öffnen der Gepäckträger vorsichtig und lassen Sie nicht auf dem Sitz oder in der Sitztasche zurück. Es war uns eine Freude, Sie auf diesem Flug zu betreuen. Danke, dass Sie mit Singapore Airlines, einem Mitglied der Star Alliance, geflogen sind. Auf Wiedersehen.
This is the information that we have on our flight.
to Frankfurt. We are not yet at the gate, so please be seated with your seatbelt fastened. Thank you.
Apologize for this delay. As we had come in a bit earlier, our parking bay is occupied by our sister aircraft that has to be pushed back before we get in. Thank you very much for your patience. Please respect the seatbelt signs on. Thank you.
Okay. Ja, aber redet doch jetzt mal mit ihm. Das ist Kommunikationsverordnung.